Hi friends, welcome to the Choose Hope Always YouTube channel. It is great to see you today. Please like, share and subscribe. This is a World Environment Day 2020 special. We have loads of fun in this video. We have a Jenga challenge, we have a challenge for you. So let's go into the program. We're going to play a Jenga challenge between Neo, my son, and myself. And the rules are very simple, same old Jenga challenge rules, but each of the blocks have some animal or living thing or something that surrounds us in our environment. So let's see what happens. Human beings are included as well. We are right in the middle of it. So let's start.
Snakes, they're usually taken out for their skin for making boots and leather stuff out of it. Rhinos are being hunted for their horn.
Okay, next me. Bulls, for they are not hunted, but they are made to fight.
Chicken fed artificially and fried and cooked and eaten.
Pangolin. So pangolin is like a scaled animal. It is being hunted for as bush meat, and it's believed to have medical value.
They're hunted and their skins are taken to make waterproof jackets.
Exotic birds. Exotic birds are being captured, put in cage and being traded.
Rainwater. That rainwater is not being preserved and going to rain, sewage, and oceans.
Whales. It's called whaling. People hunt whales. At least in 2 countries they are doing it very actively. In other places illegally, and it's being killed for its flesh, and it's believed to have whale oil. Greyhounds. So greyhounds are made to, they are rigorously trained and made to run in greyhound races, the dog races. What is that? Trees. Yeah, we keep cutting trees for paper.
Yeah, they cut trees and make paper, wood, and stuff.
Yeah, see this. We keep doing that for everything, right? We kill sheep and take wool, crocodiles for leather goods.
And we were in here.
Yeah, we are right in the middle, right?
So actually, what does this mean?
Yeah, so see this. If we keep damaging everything around us, if we keep killing everything around us, if we keep disorganizing everything around us, one day the whole thing will come down like this, and we also will be right in the middle. If we really want to preserve ourselves, help ourselves, we better save our earth and everything around us. Tigers for skin, sea lions for meat, rats are for testing medicines, lambs are for eating, birds are for fun hunted, shrimp, large scale illegal fishing, turkeys, you know what it is, Thanksgiving and whatever you want to say. Lemurs are endangered and they are killed for their fur and meat. Wow, everything around us. Time to act. Today's challenge for our viewers is Nature and Me, How We Are Connected. That's the title of a painting challenge. So send in your paintings of this particular title, Nature and Me, How We Are Connected, and the top two will get Amazon gift cards, $10 and $5. So what are you waiting for? Go for it.